Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy FBK. Yo, what a fucking crazy way, bro. Whoa, it's been a crazy. I didn't expect all the details also this week. Man, I was waiting. I just have to talk about it. So, news with kind of trying to news with so what happened? Come on. Recently, Metro Sanchez just signed a deal. Recently, USD, the interview with Mindy. So I don't know, right? I'm going to my guy, my cousin, Gavana, no one. So as it, I feel like let's start with my cousin, literally. Like, so just to give you a baking story, Uru, wait here a minute. So Mugosi on the 18th of April, she says she's going to do a one-woman show, diet Coroni Hotel. You know, of course, he has to do write a one-woman show about someone just to dismiss the root on and is the return of the caterpillar and woman and woman. So, never got to expect what did I want to show yeah, those even those which I was always cultura the unrealistically it ran right in one of the AP 650. But then yeah, she's going to do it maybe just over a shower. Oh, I didn't think it would be so going in the rain so long at one. At one of the Bruce store in the rain so long. Still pa. I choose the recommend my cousin visa post. You look at a route one woman show. But I look at the day after my course. But nende kurangarisha tumeziona watu vizuri even if rukuri yes kusuri nchanchi ya before makazi ezo zwithu zve makazi azvite wavo ugare uzviplana kana ndizvithu zvine uzviita ngori ugoona kuti mukosi ukuita izvo zvithu na because of toro zvombona kwamwana ndingaona kuti mwana yavo ugare uzviplana unyota kana kuti one woman show just that tamani wana opa kwayotenga new date mara zvaparura ito because of mungosi onoita date yavo mara nasi yangu noconsider sometimes makazina nemundangava if komwana it can be evil anyone naona maybe achikuzviitira you just don't on your hatidezviri one so ndizvinotozisana ndikawanisa ukozviitira nini pane why and I don't want to why achikuzviita so mara I feel like even if ogara kweplan ukunyongoita I feel like zviva zvisu zvavoti komwana because fan base yawo neyamukosi azifani komwana mukosi una fan base inedetwork so utwa naye nikuvaisa I feel like totowa nikunyongodzivangira vanhu masvini kuti une azvikotori nive na problem komwana because I feel like mukosi she's cool knowing uri one when it comes to uri makazi wakupera komwana and knows makazi ubigger than end so the point of view in makazi akanyongo improve because because it didn't like the point of view komwana I feel like the greediness when makazi avakuita and I still do it when I thought I had to support no matter what to support more I feel like we're going to greediness never now I feel like last year I just did a cover para from supporter but this year I was with him artist nah I feel like no those one they understand all the issues zao zouva zvorikisi watsotrack yanga nyiwaita zvipi mara zvazvita nah I feel like ndizvimwe zvabad because of even the ticket price indeyakushumisa iyo makadzi it's less than ticket price ine nditokana kainde mukosa kuita ngori unoti kuti ngatakasikuta 170 150 or 70 rand but there was some type of price yakuita iyo komwana so now I feel like the greediness is there komwana so now I just so worried as long as don't do even I show someone successful because of I still even successful because of who can the artist and I who can the artist so I still like literally look candidate and the gurus what they tell me show you that ula itopiziro vaso kana itopiziro vaifia we don't know about that then ngaona iso hpsa you vaifia to zvinohola nakuzvitisa zvonengatira yeye kuona so I just guess maybe taurikawana uri main reason ngamura wavo hurumende ichi chikomitiso arapesera kuita akuita zvinhu zvaso ndichikomitisa uri ringazokusedza razviona uri uti kuita zvinhu zvaraiti no, that's not right. Mwana so I guess maybe thamwe vathu vane vachimbira naye thamwe ndikuona kumuadvise uri aite zvinhu so and vaidhivi uri waive chikuraite zvinhu so maybe vakuona opportunity yashako one mara yes it's been doing this one woman show ndikale but we've been seeing like touchable things is rare. She should have been having like sitting well going like literally she should be the biggest millionaire. Nothing around Bonanga, I don't want to worth those two one. Let's look at focus and the chamber of water fill up. Not going through after fill up a stadium how successful they became. Marayana, I told to go to and our national station. She would only to return maybe I was successful. Uruzvina kuzoita ndekupresidents and nezvacho zvotoswedzero uva anavhiwa mukadzi when it comes to mukosi because of angasiite show mukosi angasi anotsiri kuita show azise ndiana yaita the day after mukosi achiri kuita show nazi ticket price dzavo dzapesa dzavalaisa kumwana and ane munhu wadzidza una budget yotova akonobvisa maimbi pavanhu vanji una connection vamwe waya akavaperforma mahara akodzozomi kazi show dzavo vadzoita vazozavaperformance I feel like they would need the faith and being dumb in mind kumwana so kandireza munhu bendanga kumwana so I guess also kuona zuri kuita ni kumwana mara zvine makaza kuita is not right and we won't condone it. We were willing to support him because at all costs mara what can we do? And the other thing I want to talk about is Machiavelli Project Entertainment. So Metro CNG just signed a deal with Machiavelli Project Entertainment. So those who have never David and into Nikoreno Gaimoto Machiavelli, I guess the guide in Ayuka management and Nepal. So we don't know what anyone also in what type of a deal because of being told during the 28 rejected EP 2.0 equal bag equal relative under the Machiavelli ambassador. So yes, we are able Metro Senate, but LGD Metro is will it work out for him? Come on, will it work out for him? I bet it's asking that we score to sign and then Rahuporus in a Purtoshum. Even Namshum, will they be able to cover all the work? Yellow hour now, they have been working yellow, they have been working, yeah, Metro promoting him, making shows so to say the music, me, well, but the Bible was it, but the Bible now was it because of. Ndakasukura patukaiwa wojena nasi recordable wasainagela sikarega zvino wasainga watese ndizvo zvokusina watu mandivane ndizvona zvizvo zvaita uri Little Gang Entertainment iwe it's because of vasainisa watu band in such a short period of time and avori mini avoti vakunyanga mini both vava kunyanga attention both and you also nina muntu mangaside mune navanawo mune ndiwanhu uyave karini munhu ndingasipo zviricha navanhu kufokasakavera mpezi ngona zvinotoita uri naimune mishumi dharizachana dipalo vamweni mamweni abita ngoro nadega music of Queen mara I feel like when it comes to Metro Sinai that deal I feel like Metro made a bad decision in the Kwambangane. I feel like it's a bad decision because of one is that it when you talk to us or you didn't do that I feel like Metro was saying again because of the guy is trending on. I feel like that's it. This views is later Metro promises or no remain. What do you do? This views never narcos or more metros is what it because there's nothing similar on Chechi unless Metro was an Angelina in that governor, which is in the distribution to the more rather than this of my because literally there's no record label. You can't say Marshall Nation is a big record label. It's not a big record label, but I'm an artist in the Marshall Nation. You know, and now you artist, you're in yahula like yatoitumbura yaiveka rokulabel then yablow up auna but these artists zinenge dzavanganike wejar player unyinyi or something these artists dzinendikara zvikozidiva kuwana zvamba anofisa sei last artist ni iko danguri wosaina namashalation just that vakamashalation and they are continued kuti vavopusha so when it comes to us uri mentors times domuchimbirana ke I feel like ndinozikozikosaina dzine mutu udova kunyangwe utogrow and literally nawana mutuna asana grow kumwana and zvichaita nezidileni zvichaita kumwana zvichaita muntu asaina maybe a bad deal or maybe tangu kunyangwe uri okay this is the first time ndikosaina deal ndindikwesana what could you do for me this feels like this is mara nangesi is the wrong choice is that ringasipoamba zvazvozviura kuzoitira mhinho rungasitemi mara nanga kuvonera kwamane ndiva ndikuona wrong choice and ndingandirani ndava ndikuona ngakungwana so just that rutokona kuzoitira mhinho when it comes to the final structure chayo yanopera muzirisho chikona rukochinotamira chanda zvichivona mishugo ichikoshumiwa even neni album atini ndikubona ngikazi chati ngoma ndikubona distribution business yako ze1 the promoter kwa kutova different ngoma kutova different rather than musene mna kuto promote ngoma because of don't say anything chini chako doitwa chine chato on the next level ngoma but when it comes to fundamental origin selling ngoma I feel like the same way I that side in here bujozo ngoma so if Metra was the pusher, and I said, I guess there's no progress in the Vaonikai. This is those Kushuma then. She just the bonus rule with DTM in the no ring. He did the Vatilia of Mana. Those should be Anna and then those when it comes to yellow, him being sent there, yellow is tried many days. No one this arm or room. Nangwa vari vachipambana then havana zipifi then I guess now vofarirana then vakatishuma vote but him in terms of this I will not know kumana the problem is that yellow every time when he finds someone and they become friends I don't know what is the problem they become his manager kumana first was Atruch secondly was Xavi then now it's Makavini kumana the moment vachiva close too much wavasai vari vamusaini vamanager yavo that's the problem ngaye mwana so after zvokuzoitira mwana ndoitanga vakodiva zvokuita tovari ndindirinara vasati zvokuitira mhinini kumana mara I haven't seen chinhu chine chava productive I guess now album in Apple Quincha this year. I guess we just have to wait for it. The one with the album in La Quincha. Either by AI. Either album in the end of the year. Can I divide the flop as good as the nice drop up? Those of we all work have flop a lot disappointing man. So for the overall on why would they just this feels to eat. So there's a weird it was what you and one thing bro I had to want to go far away. What is that guy? Panyai, we will have a cobra. I would go far away. So when I did about trader through what I mean, so the ones that the Hebrew which people far away me. And I guess na mena ndio mimi kufanya wewe. I thought mena ndio mimi ndio nimeregareka kama maybe into it inside for 10 years like ubuntu one. I guess this is also what we tango roba mnayo. Then but ndio mimi when call time bitango what is fine na mimi na zote. Mara I guess it's a lesson you zibuka azitambeliwe. Zivitu za wewe zichitrenda ngeke watu wakunicheza video. Wewe na zike pani kwa fungo ngari tangu zimuzo zinazo survive sai vana vopedza kufara ende vathu vote vaencourage hauna muthu namuthihi anadhi yavo kujelela ndi mwana hauna namuthihi valokufira peni yavo vanthihi mwana so it's a lesson. I feel like it's a lesson the way kuti avathu uri we should not just every time kuita zvithu maybe dzingwena dzobuda nerasipotuma ari kusports iye ari kusodzikana kumana imwe lesson iyayo so I guess tama hopefully mbave yena vabuya kachitshava ndione zviri what lesson ndifile se nevatauikula kumana so ndimwe lesson this comedy zafinovenda yo guys wendiri kumakuya okuya like akubuya vathu mara problem yanga vathu ngawendiri avathu vakonochaja ati vonugari wendiri vakonochaja ziadvert zinawo kuzitiwa kuchaja ngachidipfara tovatsadei mandatanga vatova vachichaja chidipfara tova ndisadei tiri arishuvera kungwa nayo simdekai so tosadei zviro vatova vachikuchaja chidipfara mara if vavasachadisi chidipfara ndedzimwe problems dzinova nadzo musi wonowiwa wonowiwa ndondochitowana problem so hatidei uri vatozvitisa hai Mara This woman go ahead and do the put of the time have create spinning in a push over when we have seen the productivity of our natural when we want to be the last minute so I guess we shall just see what they did have one because of our organization productivity now which made the push for one because of one minute of yes Marotamo push it maybe tangona kuzviwa IVC one mara what about growth there with that type of growth kumana so that's the rule they tell me how maybe tangona kuzviwa but though one maybe something so and this one is not this one of the this is that comedian but are they doing money and I feel like even now because of Facebook you're equal Twitter as content creator. This is about the go to most content creators and something. I feel like this one was created so that what can I say? For even the industry in general, when it comes to content creators, I feel like enough and then there is going to be out punch one. That with this also, although that is a normal gimmick, but when I work with just for trends one and which is though a bad for people who are doing this for love, I'm not sure my never used to just and the get successful my vice president now to know so officer I said jail at the moment. Learn that these rules to it and has a man. That's what we do the work so push here on, but they just not it. Then I guess time will tell. Yeah, I feel like only time will tell you. Or mutu sera sinazo kuzitana or who was good at them. Got rather one of those good at them to never time mutu with them. Who eat a chocolate food. I'm to the hour she could time. I got the time. Don't think the good is the ambient to pangas on the captain on the ambient of the design. And everything that is come by the hang of up to Japan. And this one was good because like I was seeing some video like every time when people like that took me you have to include your health. And now I don't talk with health. So you can see like even if in my previous videos now, if you can check it, most of the time we do it like but I don't and there's one when I'm doing some editing where damn, this was supposed to good for content. Let me, so today like because among among the video zvinozokuza mbandishamba ndikushumisa mini nazvanga rumi ndifisirizuva but I guess the more ndichizvitesa the more ndichitofisa ndikuita the more ndichitozvitowera kumwana haiti chimwana the more time uchiita the more namumble munhu uchizvitowera muti okay achabuwa kuhamba kuti akoshumisa zvangu I guess ndofisa ndozvitowera kumwana so I don't know mana zvinoratidza so ari mubve you guys this is a sometimes you can be an artist and be big and whatever. But if you don't have the business mindset of an artist, look at the now. Whoever was a record label distribution, we say, but what's going on? What you business people can't download files. Since the boosters are downloadable for free, because the website, that parasite, like what's wrong with them? Like what the fuck are they doing? Like I feel like yo bro, like you understand what Bangaba Kuzita is about the Mara. Panazi YouTube always and even and give fees at least and give fees rather than rice and you guys parasite you have got to handle it. You have got to handle it. Kuman, I feel like it's wrong. Kuman, I feel like it's wrong. Even the songs that they did drop, I feel like the song that they did drop is quite nice. Even that song where you see him talking about Nagoya, I feel like it's cool. Come on, I feel like it's cool. It's very nice. It's a good song. They are rapping. Yes, that she changed because she talked about the music video. So really boy now, I let the music video, and I don't know how I said music video Raman because of music video I thought that, and I saw some people who complaining why Shifshit is not being the ambassador of Nike and Taylor is the ambassador of Nike. I'm like, yo, people don't understand it. People, they don't understand it. It's not about like you can't compare the two. Shifshit is here and Taylor is here. One, when it comes to the influence, everything, Shifshit is here, Taylor is here. So you can't compare the two. She's way bigger than him. Way bigger than him. Way bigger than he is. Sheffield is more influential in South Africa only. She's influential global. She's well known. She got a Grammy. She got all these awards, billboards, AET. You can name them. You know. So I feel like her being an ambassador, what should be just celebration that Nike also is also giving someone from South Africa a branding. Not when someone gets the branding, no often a branding the other time, the other come to us. I feel like it's wrong. There's so young man, I feel like it's wrong. Come on. So there's a story. Why are we so one? So I don't feel like they did do something wrong to the beautiful, not making him a brand ambassador. I feel like it's just that anyone has moved in the rural ambassador at a certain time. One, that you can ask come to the rural ambassador. Even Amico, I've been with an Amico, you can Amico. One, so I guess this one is not it is. I guess even the influence one, even like the way he carry himself. So watching Jamazina, Facebook, doesn't have Instagram, doesn't have Twitter. It's just an artist in J. So but it's a hustler like us. Come on. It's a hustler like us. So we don't have to discriminate him or remove what we do. When it comes to things like this, you may find they don't even know. I want to share this people cheat on chicken. I share so I guess we should know. We should just carry on and move on for me. And the other thing, generation, oh wow, I see okay, now say ambassador of what's this called? World Sports Betting. Is it World Sports Betting? Let me check. Wait. Okay. Oh. World Sports Betting. Yeah, World Sports Betting. Yeah, he's the ambassador there. This is a nice deal. He's asikaragara kokusaina until namuteri nayo. So this is what that is in there. Zisakwana zivana that influential for everyone. Ave nazo zonga dzideli ngwara, so I guess this was what is not kuzvibona kai. I guess I'm gonna want to look at what but it is when it comes to suggest this what is the way and South Africa the ambassador singis so one singis so took one of the ambassador from South Africa. I don't know why the ambassador from South Africa took, and I don't think the brand feel value or is the sponsor of from South Africa. None of them is always on ambassador. We are called literally Roger player of ambassador venda izofil adaba ambassador yakukutunya ko shares ndivyo. I don't know zvoferera ati zvambidzo sokoferera muyani lamu vanoona chinyama mizo pfesesoro chinyama chawo chwananga. And I guess we'll never know. And also mizo or release a track in a cloud say yeah, you know the track I would I feel like it's a love song, you know, we're just doing and no matter cloud song, even though it's not a cloud song, cloud is say even though she's a good vocalist, but I haven't seen that much of Mushroom Cloud. Cloud is the cool costume and who contact as tag I can check out for it. I guess she's being put on the map through story. Oh, Karama, the Kapara so I guess that's why the percentages that we those put them. Sister was each for so these are women so and it is what it is. The one is ruled I mean when it comes to English, I don't know, bro. Because of it's not that relevant. Come on. So I guess we just say no. You. And the other thing is let's go into the political side. So basically it was like we don't interview now with G. So it was literally going childhood growth, how we grow, society. What I'm seeing from the guy is that I feel like Mr. Malema is feeling intimidated by the guy. Like maybe tangu wako unongari kama jamani una zuzune zipiro zinakulokubana zibifaa chetu. I don't zine ndazipilisa zone tangu utaona zipiro zine tangu mini madawa kwenye mozitami urezivu before shitami before tangu ndimo nunga una zipiro zinakulokubana mozitami akwenye mozijia za organization. That's why we suspend. I feel like now she's literally still suspended. Man, which is suspended. Both of Ghana was suspended by 6 weeks before the conference in Nazareth. So, what is going on is that Mr. Malemo because of these things, the potential and shall say, during the president, ndiye ni mtu ndiye ni candidate ni ngake yakakayefe totally over so I feel like this now kuzibona uzungaite to then I guess it's just politics in how they move, how they tryna maneuver our brain. Hey, what we did, what we don't do, what we you know. So even when it comes to when they were Bakwamba Susa VBS, so those ones just that more as project to better as well. And which is kind of a fair current. Come on, why would this is more? Come on, rather than what over this the magic. Well, because one is no going to be the magic is no going to be come on, magic And I guess the story is literally disappointing. Seeing news of KFF because of as vast and we're hoping that if a video in a political party name we can look up to one rather than Sawazi aces but so we're thinking really EFF is the one we can relate to one because the when the windows touch to the ground and the when the back at the phone. So I guess this was the one through the ten mara. Literally another I'm seeing this is so to remain. But when you power, it's all about the power, the greediness, no one. This is women in the world face. The power and greediness. I don't know in the world. Power, greediness, only. This is that was what happened. So there's one rule they tell me because every time we do those rules, I mentioned that one of is power and greediness only. Mr. Malema, Bashan because of it's been long, bro. It's been 10 years, since the political party that the organization in which Fumi has been on the chair. It's still on the chair. I feel like it's time for Mr. Malema to move from the chair and let other people run. Come on, for him being, it's not working, it's no longer working because we are tired of kutotwara kumubona kwamba isikhabe tingabili zvinhu zvasongwa zvakagariratowa ene hamba dzipere yayo so hatatokoni zvirudetani mara from me I guess chipinga choribhumusa I guess chikusvika mangumuduni there's no more come on there's no more zvinyangachiita because of zvinezvo zvikuitika kuti ndizvona zvinokuita zvanani come on and there's good more about it because there's no more trust political party inodzidzisa vatu vanji come on inodzidzisa vanji vatu vanji vakuba kaya because of zvinhu zvikuitika kaya including myself bro if uri kufamba maro I'm a true EFF man I'm a grand force of EFF man zvinhu zvakuita zvikoveza zvoita nani neso why a organization you know so the way they are come up is it what I represent like me I mean it's not just about you're going to leave a political party it's about what you believe in things that I believe in which is really common sense when it comes to EFF is really relate and so as a young person man is not also to meet as and then tikuenda unozvako ationi uzvine zvikumfushana titi yakanende kuona zvikaora ende zvoita zviri vatu vanji vatoumana mana I will just have to see what they do and I want it was best of what changes can they be done as changes come on this is not the one because of when it comes to dismantling the political party equal Gayot. You need equal one so the one rule they come on so and then the really says if a real collapse this feels so you collapses and one if I'm collapse this feels not going to collapse and one so I guess we'll just have to see what will happen Kai one so this I'll just have to watch and see what will be not originally collapse or you didn't go to the collapse or you go to more fantasy difficult this much in charge you go to more fantasy your fantasies are difficult when it comes to it and this has been who are the true leaders and relationship between them two they are talking shit about each other, which is wrong. This is not good order. Why any woman I could have even Buseni, as between two and one comma, and them two those they talk shit about each other, which is wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. Come on. But the one is sort of what they meaning. So we just have to see. And my last thing is this vision has been going on in the country. So we've got some artists who are going to drop their albums. I guess it's 28 to to drop this year because of Nadia Naka is going to drop Bregasti as a tribute to AKA, and Jana Chief is going to drop. What else is going to drop? KO, we're still waiting for his album. What else can they drop? Nelly Beats will be dropping. Who else will be dropping? Tribal also will be dropping. Who else will be dropping that I've seen? Also, my wish is working on an album. Also, Shurupi and DJ Maposa, they said they are going to drop an album together. Who else have been looking together? Dali Wonga and Sanya musician. They've been saying they want to drop a collabo EP. Who else must be dropping? Who else? Who else? Who else? Yes, Chenda Mungu Shandigata for drop. Which one? Nah, I guess there's no one in there. I can go to drop because I haven't seen one. So I guess that's it. See you on the other episode. Where are you? Boom.